In this video, I will show you how to create QR code of Wi-Fi password on iPhone. This way, anyone can scan your QR code to access your Wi-Fi without asking for the password. So let's get started. Here we are going to make use of Shortcuts app which comes preloaded with iPhone. If you don't have Shortcuts installed on your iPhone, then you may download it from App Store for free. First, open Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now tap Gallery in bottom right corner. At the top of the screen, you will see rectangular boxes with small icons. Just swipe right and find Shortcuts for accessibility. Now tap on Shortcuts for accessibility option. Now tap See All next to Access Tools. From here, tap QR your Wi-Fi. Tap Add Shortcut. Now on all shortcut screen, tap QR your Wi-Fi in your list of shortcuts. Now enter your Wi-Fi name and press done. Now enter your password and tap done. A QR code will appear on your screen. Now tap it for more options. You can tap the share icon on the bottom left corner of the screen to save your code or share it via airdrop, social media, email and more. So that is how you can create QR code of Wi-Fi password on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.